How to fix low self-esteem. Psychology-based steps that actually work. What if low self-esteem is not who you are, but something you learned and can unlearn? Imagine this. You want to speak, but you stay silent. You want to try, but you hold back. Not because you can't, but because a voice inside says, you're not good enough. Here's the truth. That voice is not your identity. It is a psychological pattern. And patterns can be changed. The first step is awareness. You must learn to distinguish between your true self and the inner critic. Step 2. Challenge the narrative. When that negative voice speaks, ask for evidence. Is it a fact or just a feeling? Step 3. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer to a dear friend. Reclaiming your identity takes time, but every small victory rewires your brain for confidence. You are more than your doubts. You are the architect of your own worth. Start building today. Practical steps to rebuild your confidence. Many people believe confidence is something you are born with, but in reality, it is a skill that can be mastered through intentional practice. Step 1. Challenge the inner voice. We all have an internal critic that whispers doubts. When your mind says, I am not good enough, you must pause and ask, where is the evidence? Often, these thoughts are based on fear, not facts. Replace those thoughts with something realistic and grounded. Tell yourself, I am currently learning, and I am constantly improving every day. Step 2. Stop negative self-talk. Your mind is a powerful recording device. It listens to and believes exactly what you choose to repeat. Harsh words create a harsh internal reality. Instead of saying, I always fail, try a different approach. Say, I did not succeed this time, but I have identified areas where I can improve for the next attempt. Step 3. Take small action. A common misconception is that confidence must come before action. In truth, action comes first, and confidence is the byproduct of that courage. Speak up once in a meeting. Try one new thing today. Start small. Each tiny action you take serves to weaken the grip of self-doubt over your life. Step 4. Stop comparing yourself. Comparison is the thief of joy and the destroyer of self-worth. When you look at others, you are comparing your behind the scenes with their highlight reel. Remember that someone else's progress is not a reflection of your failure. Every individual has their own timeline. Focus entirely on your own growth and personal journey. Step 5. Accept imperfection. You do not need to be perfect to be valuable. Perfection is an impossible standard that only leads to paralysis and further self-criticism. Understand that mistakes are a fundamental part of growth, not proof of failure. Each error is a lesson that provides the data you need to succeed later. Step 6. Build self-respect through behavior. True confidence grows from the way you treat yourself. Do things that align with your core values and the person you want to become. Keep the promises you make to yourself. Finish the small tasks you started. Show up consistently for your own goals. Confidence grows from action, not just from thinking. Step 7. Change your environment. You are heavily influenced by the world around you. Surround yourself with people who support your journey and encourage your growth. Seek out those who respect your effort and push you to be better. Your environment shapes your beliefs about what is possible for you to achieve. Low self-esteem survives on repetition and staying in your comfort zone. But every time you act differently, you break the destructive pattern of the past. You do not become confident by waiting for the feeling to arrive. You become confident by doing the work, even when you feel unsure and nervous. Which step will you start today? We want to hear from you. Comment below with your commitment to change and share your journey with our community. If you want to rebuild your confidence and understand your mind deeply, subscribe to PsycheInfo. Like and share this video to help someone who feels the same way. Master your mind, or it will quietly master you. This is PsycheInfo. We are here to help you navigate the complexities of your psychology.